Hello there, welcome back. What's the crack? So, today I'm doing a Scurrg H-6 bomber unboxing. Well, not really unboxing because I bought it second hand, so because it's so blue and rare, I was delighted that I managed to find it even second hand with all the pieces. Occasionally you can get one with a piece missing, but I got it with all the pieces. But this model is absolutely huge. This is a Cracks fighter, which is about average size, and it's like, oh my goodness, it's maybe triple the size. That's actually ridiculous. Anyway, there it is. There's the model. I bring it up close and focus on it. There we go. It's got some really nice detail all over it. The underside is really nice. I can stick on autofocus. It's fine. Here we go. Right, so there's the model. Okay, right. So here we have our stuff. So 2 dials, bases, tokens, all rubbish tokens, get the tokens out of the way. There we go. Okay. It's got cards. It wasn't a bag, so it might be a little bit jumbled up. In fact, it is very jumbled up. Okay, right. So, first card is a scum card. It's a Karthak Pirate. So, the Scurrg H-6 bomber has 3 attack, 1 evade, 5 hull, 5 shield, a focus, a target lock, and a barrel roll. It has a turret, a torpedo, a missile, a crew, and 2 bombs, and it costs 24 at its cheapest. So, it says, the Nubian Design Collective crafted the Scurrg H-6 bomber with combat versatility in mind, arming it with powerful shields and a bristling array of destructive weaponry. So that's a pilot skill 1, no APT. Next we have the Lock Revenant. It's a pilot skill 3 and it does have an APT and it costs 26, it says. Led by the pirate captain Nim, the Lock Revenants were formed to resist the Trade Federation in the Karthak system, carried the fight to the Empire during its ascendancy. Next we have a pilot skill 6. Sol Sixa, also an APT, costs 28. When dropping a bomb, you may use the 1 hard turn, or left or right, template instead of the 1 forward maneuver template. And we have Captain Nim, the scum version. And it says you may ignore friendly bombs. When a friendly ship is defending, if the attacker measures range through a friendly bomb token, the defender may add 1 evade result. And he's a pilot skill 8, cost 30. This one's also a pilot skill 8, cost 30, but this is the rebel version. Once per round, you may prevent a friendly bomb from detonating, which is kind of nice, and it's also why you get 2 bomblet generator tokens. Excuse me. About to sneeze. There we go. Excuse me. So that's our cards. Let's get them in order again. 6, 8. Oh, no. 3, 6, 8, 8. So we'll have a look at our upgrade cards. So it's very jumbled because I might have tipped it all out when I first got it. So okay, so we have there we go. We have the cruise missiles. So it's base 1 attack, range 2 to 3, cost 3, and it's missiles, as you might expect. So it's an attack target lock. Hang on. There we go. Discard this card to perform this attack. You may roll additional attack dice equal to the speed of the maneuver you executed this round to a maximum of 4 additional dice. So that could be 5 attack dice in one go. And you get 1, 2, 3 copies of that. Then we have Seismic Torpedo. Costs 2. It's a torpedo. It's an action rather than an attack. Discard this card, choose an obstacle at range 1 to 2, and inside your primary fighting arc. Each ship at range 1 of the obstacle rolls 1 attack die and suffers any damage or critical damage rolled. Then remove the obstacle. Get 1 copy of that. And then it's a title called Havoc. It's cost 0. Your upgraded bar gains the systems and salvaged astromech icons and loses the crew upgrade icon. If it'll focus again. There we go. You cannot equip non-unique salvaged astromech cards. Then we have Lightning Reflexes. This is an APT, cost 1, small ship only. After you execute a white or green maneuver on your dial, you may discard this card to rotate your ship 180 degrees. Then receive 1 stress token after the check pilot stress step. Then we have R4E1, cost 1, salvaged astromech. You can perform actions on your torpedo and bomb upgrade cards even if you are stressed. After you perform an action in this way, you may discard this card to remove 1 stress token from your ship. Cad Bane Crew, cost 2, scam only. Your upgrade bar gains the bomb upgrade icon once per round. When an enemy ship rolls attack dice due to friendly bomb detonating, you may choose any number of focus and blank results. It must re-roll those results. We'll go back into focus. Focus. Probably wouldn't focus if I keep moving. There we go. Sync Turret. It's a turret. Cost 4. Attack 3, range 1 to 2. Attack target lock. It's a target lock, not just a focus or nothing. Attack 1 ship, even if ship outside your fighting arc. If the defender is inside your primary fighting arc, you may reroll a number of attack dice up to your primary weapon value. Minefield Mapper. It says during setup, after the place forces step, you may discard any number of your equipped bomb upgrade cards. Place all corresponding bomb tokens in the play area beyond range 3 of enemy ship, and this costs 0. Systems upgrade. So this is a bomb. It takes up 2 slots and it's 3 cost. Bomblet generator. If my camera will focus again. It says when you reveal your maneuver, you may drop 1 bomblet token. This token detonates at the end of the activation phase. So, I'm not actually sure what bomblet tokens do because I don't have the card with me, but I can look it up when I'm playing the game later. In fact, I can look it up right here for you. So here we've got our base tokens, which I don't need to pop out because they're already done, and the maneuver dials are assembled. 2 bomblet tokens, we have 5 shield tokens, we have ID token, critical hit token, stress token, and focus token. So I am going to quickly look up what the card says, and in the meantime we'll look at the maneuvers. So we have 1 bank, a green 1 forward, 1 bank left, right again. Got a 2 turn, 2 green bank, 2 forward, 2 green forward. Got a 3, can't remember what that's called, the one where you do a turn and then like flip. Can't remember what it's called. But you got a red one of those for 3. You got 3 red 3 turn. You got a white 3 bank and a green 3 forward. And then you got 4 forward and red 5 forward. Right, hang on. Game rules. Sorry, I'm looking this up on an app which I have. Which still works surprisingly for first edition, which is nice. It is very nice. Let's find the bomblet generator. Bomblet generator, where is it? There. Bomblet token. The bomblet tokens are bomb tokens. Bomb tokens detonate as described on their corresponding upgrade cards, producing the following effect. Bomblet token. When this token detonates, each ship at range 1 of the token rolls 2 attack dice, suffers all damage and critical damage rolled, then discard this token. So, the bomblet generator, you keep it for the whole game, providing you're not using Minefield Mapper? Yeah, Minefield Mapper. And you get to place them and you get to keep it and just drop little ones. They don't do quite so much damage as a normal bomb might, but it's nice to have, and it takes up 2 bomb token slots, which is quite a lot actually. So I use this app, X-Wing Companion, and it's really good. Still works for first edition, which I like, so I'm really happy with it. So that's the whole video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you.